Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of this family, I appreciate you guys as usual. So I know I have not been here for a while, but there are reasons for that. Okay, so let's jump right in and I'll tell you guys everything.
It's Kenny.
First things first, as most of you who have been on the channel for a while and following up, you know I have a kid now, so it makes stuff a little bit more difficult to do, in the sense of he comes first. I have to do everything for him first before I think about myself. And then I went back to school, so I'm doing a master's in beauty and brains. Okay, so I'm doing a master's and that's taking a lot of my time, and I still have to work and I still have to run my businesses, and yeah, so it's been a bit challenging. So I'm definitely trying to come back on YouTube and be here with you guys. So please don't be mad at me. Do not unsubscribe. I'm still here. We're still a family, okay? So today I just wanted to tell you guys some good news, exciting news. The thing is, I have realized that most of you, both those that subscribe and those that watch without subscribing, side-eyeing you, okay? Anyways, both of you, all of you, kind of prefer mostly my hair videos. So I have been doing vlogs, lifestyle kind of vlogs. I've been doing hair videos, tutorials, wigs tutorials, natural hair tutorials. I have been doing beauty, makeup, unboxing, product reviews, and I was just trying my hand on the various things that I actually enjoy doing, the things I normally do on a daily basis. And I realized through comments, through views, through shares, that you guys prefer my hair videos. Okay, so I was like, ooh, so you guys not tell me that directly, but indirectly, while looking at my analytics, I found out, or I figured out, I realized that, okay, the hair videos is what you guys are coming for. So what I'm going to do with this information is that I am going to shift the focus of my channel more on, like, towards the hair and the wigs, because I see that that is where I can help you guys the most, and that is mostly what you want to see: the hair tips, the wig installs, the wig prep, and all of those stuff. And another exciting news, which I just want to put out there, is that for some of you guys who were here, who have been on the page, you know that I cut my hair last year. Last year, sometime February, I had a big chop, but it was not like completely gone. The hair was still like, from this length. Let's say from this length, I cut it to like here, and then I styled it, and it looked nice for like a couple of months. And then in May or towards June, I chopped it off completely. Okay, like I took it, I was like, no hair gang, like bald girl gang. I'll insert some pictures here and here so you can see. So I cut my hair completely, and the plan was to keep it short for a while, maybe dye it and all, but I kind of did not follow that plan anymore. I wasn't sure if I wanted to dye my hair again, so I was like, you know what, now I have decided it's time to regrow my hair. I want it to go back to being long and flourishing and thick and full, and that is the journey I am starting officially. I mean, I have been growing it all these past months, but I have not been showing you guys, and I will show you guys how I am growing my hair from my big chop back to it being as long as it can possibly be. So that is one of the exciting things I want to tell you guys in this video, because I am super excited to be regrowing my hair, and I would really love to share this journey with you guys. So expect everything you can do for your hair to grow, from natural hair videos like hair wash days, treatment days, protective hairstyling, how I take care, how I maintain my hair for it to grow and flourish, and wig videos like wig installs, because wigs are a very big part of my hair growth journey. So you'll see a lot of wigs install, wig preps, different ways to install your wigs for those that maybe do not like lace. I even have some videos already. I'll probably link one up that will show you how to maybe change your lace closure into a V-part wig and how to install that with no leave out, and little tips and tricks and hacks to look your beautiful self while protecting your beautiful hair and letting it grow and flourish, especially for my 4C hair girls. Right now, obviously, I'm rocking this protective hairstyle in these box braids. She's giving, yeah. I do love this color, but right now I am in my box braids girl autumn hair, and soon when I take this out, I'm definitely going to show you guys the takedown process. I'll definitely show you guys how I take down the hair so that I don't cut a lot of my hair, and how long I leave the hair in, because the longer you leave it in, the more damage you might get. Anyways, I don't want to get into those details now because that's for another video, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm so excited to be growing my hair back with you. So let's grow our hair together. So don't worry, beauty content will still pop in once in a while, but I'm super excited to go on this hair journey with you all. So I hope that you will stick around and stick with me, and we grow our hair together. And yeah, I am super excited. I already have some content planned, which I am definitely going to start filming like right after this video. Thank you guys so much for your support and your love and your comments and your likes and your shares, like everything, every engagement you have had with this channel. I super appreciate you guys, and I hope that you stick around, especially you who is watching me and has not subscribed. So click on that subscribe button and join the family. I promise you guys, I am doing my best to upload at least one time a week. It would be ideal, like it would be super ideal for me to upload twice a week, but if I'm being honest to myself and my schedule right now with school, work, my kid, trying to stay fit and everything else that comes with my daily life, I can promise you one video a week. If you get two, then hooray. But yeah, the plan is one video a week, which hopefully will go up every Sunday. But please don't hold my neck to it. One video a week, okay? Don't hold my neck to the Sunday. It might be a Wednesday, it might be a Monday, but the plan is for it to be Sunday so that you can watch and relax and maybe even follow along and we do it together. All right guys, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching my channel. Please make sure to click that subscribe bell and join the family so you do not miss any notifications, and click the little bell so that you do not miss any notifications basically. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, and let me know in the comment section. If you want any specific type of videos, let me know in the comment section and I'll make that happen for you. All right guys, have a good day, have a good Sunday if this goes up on a Sunday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.